Hello, and welcome to Tech Futures. Today, we're diving into a concept that's quietly revolutionizing how we interact with technology: ambient computing. Imagine your home, your office, even your city seamlessly understanding and adapting to your needs without you ever touching a button or looking at a screen. Sounds like science fiction? It's closer than you think. Ambient computing isn't about more gadgets. It's about making the technology we already have fade into the background. It's there when you need it, invisible when you don't. Think of it as technology that anticipates your needs, responding intuitively to what you want, sometimes even before you realize it yourself. So how does this magic happen? It's a powerful cocktail of advancements. First, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT devices. These are the tiny sensors and smart objects acting as the eyes and ears, constantly gathering data about our environment and how we interact with it. Then comes artificial intelligence and machine learning, the brains of the operation. They process all this data, learn patterns, predict our needs, and even automate responses. And how do we communicate with this invisible tech? Natural language processing lets us use voice commands. Computer vision allows systems to understand gestures, or even just our presence. We're moving beyond clunky keyboards and tapping on screens. Edge computing also plays a vital role, processing data locally, which means faster responses and better privacy, because your information doesn't always have to travel to a distant server. But creating these invisible interfaces isn't easy. One big challenge is getting devices from different companies to speak the same language. That's called interoperability. Imagine your smart lights not talking to your smart thermostat. Not very ambient, is it? Managing the sheer volume of data generated is another hurdle, all while keeping it secure and private. And of course, these always-on devices need to be incredibly power efficient. Engineers are getting creative, though. They're developing hidden interfaces, think displays that appear on demand from under a wooden tabletop, a piece of fabric, or even a mirror, then vanish when you're done. This keeps our spaces looking like homes and offices, not tech showrooms. Crucially, the goal here is human-centric design. This isn't just about flashy tech, it's about creating experiences that are mindful and considerate. Technology should adapt to our needs and even our emotional states, not demand our constant attention or intrude. It should enhance our connection with the real world and the people around us. Looking ahead, there are key things to get right. Privacy and security are non-negotiable. If tech is embedded everywhere, collecting sensitive data, we need to trust it. Ethical development is also paramount, ensuring these systems are fair, inclusive, and don't make us lose our skills or agency. The ultimate dream is seamless integration, where technology weaves itself so smoothly into our lives that it's indistinguishable, yet always ready to assist. Ambient computing promises a future where technology doesn't just serve us, but truly understands and anticipates our needs, creating more intuitive, efficient, and ultimately more human-centric environments. It's a subtle revolution, but one with profound implications for how we'll live and work. That's all for this episode of Tech Futures. Join us next time as we explore